This is the Cycling Deal bike wheel truing stand, and I'll show you what comes inside the box. This is empty because I've already unpacked it. You get some instructions, and these are the bits and pieces that come inside the box. Of course, the main unit is over there. I'll come back once I've assembled everything. The supplied through axle doesn't fit, so the 20-inch wheel that I've got here, you can't use this piece in it. There are very simple adjustments on the device itself. You've got this one here, which adjusts. If you look, you'll see that this brings the calipers in or out by turning that one. The knob on the side here, I'll turn the camera to a better position so you can see what it does. What this knob does, it adjusts the caliper, and as you can see, if I turn it, it comes either out or in, so you bring it in so it's getting close to the wheel rim itself, so that when you rotate it, you shouldn't have any deviation. You shouldn't see it sort of jumping in and out, so that means you've actually got the buckle removed from your wheel. And one other thing that this does, you open up the caliper as far as you want so it passes the tyre, then you can actually drop it down so it's not going to hit the wheel itself when you remove it. We have another knob down the bottom there, which we will have a look at in a second. Now I'm going to take the wheel off the stand and show you what this knob down the bottom does. So if you look at the width on the top here, you'll notice that it comes in or out, and that's the final adjustment on this device. You also have holes so you can actually bolt it into a desktop or a bench top, and it'll be absolutely rock solid. Overall, great little unit. As you can see, my wheel is running very, very true, very nice. And just here, we're getting a bit of a sound as the caliper is actually touching the weld there. So I can't straighten this wheel anymore. So I'm very, very happy with the device overall. It works really well. And the bike wheel truing stand, it's excellent. It's working perfect. As you can see, my wheel is running really nice. There's no buckles in it. I did have a sound earlier. It was tapping on a weld mark. Now, to adjust any buckle you do have, you use a little spoke tensioning device like this, so you can actually loosen it. You put it over the top. You either loosen or tighten, and that'll either bring forward or push the wheel back, and you just simply alternate the tensioning on these spokes until you remove the buckle, and then you'll finish up with a wheel that runs as smooth as this one.